So this is going to be a wood grain soap. I have divided my soap up into a main base color and then 4 other colors, which are all very similar, which I did on purpose. This is kind of a gold yellow, that's just a gold. This is a dark brown, and then I took the dark brown and gold and mixed them. So I'm just stirring in the fragrance, which is a new fragrance to me, but it's supposed to be a one that doesn't accelerate, so here's to hoping it is true to the description, because I'm taking a chance. So basically, I'm going to take a pitcher with a spout, going to dump about half of my brown. I should have actually added more to that pot, but I didn't, but that's okay. And then I'm going to add my colors here. Wow, that brown is really similar. I did a little bit of a mica and oil, so I'm going to add some of that to that color. Then add a little bit back here. And the color's supposed to sit on top, and mine is obviously going down, which, oh well. So this is that yellow gold, and this is the gold, and you can see they're not very different. They are different, but not a whole lot. And I have my mold set at an angle, and basically I'm just going to go back and forth. Occasionally you can wiggle it to give yourself some knots, and then do more. And just keep repeating that. When I run out of soap, I'll refill the bucket or the pitcher and just repeat till all the soap is used up. Okay, so to cut this, I have to split the log horizontally. So I have already marked 1 inch, so I'm going to get 3 pieces. And then from there, I'll cut those pieces into bars. So I'm using my splitter from Custom Craft Tools, and I'm just going to split the batch, or the loaf. Let's see what we have. That is interesting, more muddied than I anticipated. Let's see what the next layer looks like. I actually really liked the top. Oh, this one's better. As you can see, the video is not picking up on the different tones very well, but there are definitely some tones. Okay, and one more time through. This is why I never do this technique, because I end up with this wasted piece of soap, which I'll make samples out of, but it still frustrates me. Oh, that one's got some interesting tones to it. Look at that. I like this top piece best. Too bad I can't use that one. So yeah, there are some cool aspects. Look at that. I don't know if you can see, like, it's really hard, but there are some really cool, like, mica lines in there that I actually really like. So this was the very bottom, that big first part of the pour, which definitely got muddied. That's the bottom of the loaf. It doesn't really have the wood grain effect, this bottom piece. So yeah, there are a couple good bars. Like I said, these three, not impressed with, but these are cool. I like that one too. That has a really neat pattern to it. I have an idea for another bar that adds embellishments. It would be a bonus entry. I might try it. We'll see.